Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Your Windows update stuck any percentage in last 4 to 5 hours. Stop it. So what is the first steps? So click to start and type services. Services MS services. Right click to run as administrator. Then press the Windows. Find out the scroll down and come Windows update. So double click. If it is already started, so click to stop, and if it is stopped, so click to start and then apply and then click OK. Then again select the Windows update and left hand side restart options there, so click to restart. Okay, now the service is been started and then close it. Then next, then run the Windows troubleshoot. Click to start, go to setting, then click system, scroll down, click on troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, then click on this Windows update, click to run. After that it will open this window, then minimize it because of this is working in background and can close it. Then next, reset Windows update component. Click to start, type cmd and right click to run as administrator. Then guys, copy this command. I will give you in this command in the description, so you can copy paste one by one. Okay, otherwise you can copy all in one and then type it. Now second is, then third, okay, this is one by one. Net start bit, and this is second last, and this is last. Okay, so this command is very important for your system. Then it is started and then it is normalized. Then last command, sfc /scan_now and then hit enter. After that it will start the percentage, okay, like this, and it will 100%. Then restart your system and then please check it. Okay, then go to this setting and then click to update, last one Windows update, and like check. Okay, then it will come, click to download and install it. Thank you.